Guys, Elle here with the Droning Company, and I'm with Lou from Hoodman. I'm here to talk a little bit about the products that they make and how they might benefit you. So Lou, can you tell us a little bit about what you guys do?
Yeah, sure, Al. Well, we're Hoodman, and we've been making hoods for over 35 years, so you can see monitors out in the field. We started in Hollywood. You guys probably know from the NFL referees looking inside the hood. We made all of those hoods. So as soon as drones started flying, they came to my booth and they're like, Lou, what do you have for iPad minis? And I'm like, I don't have anything. So 2 months later, we made a whole line of hoods for iPads, and we were in the drone business. So I want to talk a little bit about the hoods. We have for DJI controllers, this is for the RC controller, and this is a magnetic hood that just goes on, and you can get your touch access here. It's always tough to see the screen outside and see if you're getting the footage that you want. This is our iPad mini hood. We have them for all the iPads. And what's unique about this hood is you can reach in and touch the screen without letting a lot of light in. And if you're out in the snow or you're on a bright sunny beach and you really want to see what you're getting, you have an extender that fits on. And these are on our website, and they're available for like $35. They just strap right onto the back of your iPad, and it's a great product for seeing what you're getting while you're flying around in your drone. I want to talk about landing pads. The first drone show that we went to, I asked some people during a slow time, what do you need? And they said, I want a landing pad that I don't have to stake down, and that I'm in Colorado, I can't pound stakes in the ground because it's too hard. So we made a weighted landing pad. I called it launch pads, but the whole world calls it landing pads. And the reason I call it launch pads is because at takeoff, your drone camera is about right here. Yep. It's in the dirt. You have 4 or 6 blades of propellers that are hitting the ground and then pulverizing your lens. So your lens is dirty before you're even taking off. Yep. So all your footage is like not going to be worth anything. And if you get a grain of sand into your gimbal, it won't turn properly. And the landing pads collapse into 3 circles, so they're really small, but the perimeter, feel it, it's weighted.
Oh yeah.
So the drone won't blow it away. You might think, well, I could just put a towel down, but the towel blows away. Yeah. And the really cheap pads always blow away too. So we have different sizes. This is our 2-footer. This would be for like a Mavic-sized drone. If you had a Phantom-sized drone, you would do a 3-foot pad. We have a 5-foot pad in the back that would be for an Inspire. I've made all the way up to 12-foot pads. Wow. It's crazy. So anyway, we just make useful tools for drone guys to make their life easier.
Yeah, absolutely. I live in Arizona, so it's very sunny down there. When I'm flying in the desert, I could definitely use these hoods. I'm always hunched over it. So definitely some benefit there. And then I also need to get one of your launch pads because we do have very dusty desert that's always messing up my gimbal. So both very useful products. Thank you so much, Lou.
Hey, thanks for coming by, guys. We'll see ya.
If our viewers want to get one of your products, how can they order from you?
They can order direct. We're at hoodmanusa.com. That's hoodmanusa.com. And we have great prices and shipping, and we're out of Los Angeles. And if you order before 2 o'clock Pacific time, we'll ship the same day. So we'll get them out to you guys really quick.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Lou. I appreciate it.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.